8 over 5 into its simplest form, reduced form, or lowest term. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or highest common factor. Look, 1 times 5 equal to 5, and there is no number, two number between 1 and 5. That's if we multiply that two number, that gives us 5. Actually, 5 is a prime number. Okay, it has only two factors, 1 and 5. So that is why the greatest common factor between 5 and 8 will be just 1. GCF, greatest common factor, the highest common factor between two number will be 1, as 5 is a prime number. So if you divide this 8 by 1, you will get 8, and if you divide 5 by 1, you will get 5. So our answer is 8 over 5, but this is an improper fraction because here numerator is greater than denominator. So you need to convert this improper fraction into mixed number. So how to do that? Just divide. 5 goes into 8 1 times 5, 5, subtract 3. So this is our whole number part, this is our fractional part, and this will be numerator, remainder will be numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. So 1 and 3/5 is our answer.